Hey people, I am Jelai. I currently live in Egypt for almost 5 years, and this is my experience. I love exploring my capabilities because I learn a lot from them. I am grateful to have a privilege to live or travel whenever I can afford to. To travel is something I love to do, as I get to experience how to live a life from another place. See things I haven't seen before, and to open my eyes to how beautiful the world, the local vibes of the people's warm hospitality and rich culture. What's the connection in surfing? Well, I get to appreciate this simple kind of things. And well, this is the second time I tried surfing in the Philippines. And why not? My Siargao Island adventure wouldn't be complete if I haven't tried it.
Regular lang, sabi lang. Tama, hindi malaki talaga. Sabi ko lang.
When I feel the connection from the waves of the sea, splashing water in my body, bruised legs and feet from the corals, every failed and victorious attempt to ride the waves is a fulfilling statement. I got stoked, and I say, life is really good.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
I get frustrated for a while because I really wanted to learn surfing. But I remember that all things take time. I just have to persevere trust the process of timing, and become aware of my mistakes and the right things I am doing to be able to stand up and ride my board and surf the waves for as long as I can. Life is really so good. You know what? I also have been dreaming that one day I could live in an island like Siargao or a place near the beach where I could surf all day. To become a local of that place, build a nook so I can sell coffee and simple pastries that I can bake, where life is simple, happy, and beyond grateful.